our file activity 1, which we have saved in the folder writer. We want to make the heading attractive. So we have to select the heading, and after selecting, so bring the mouse pointer near the T and then drag. So we have selected the heading. We'll select that once again. After selecting the heading, we are going to make the select the heading from the apply style tool. Here we have pre-formatted tool, and near to that we have the down arrow, and from here we can select any pre-formatted style. We will select heading 1. So the size has changed, isn't it? We want to make it a bit more bigger. So from the font size box, if you click on that small downward triangle, you will get the options under that. You can either click on that down arrow and select, or you can drag it. We are selecting the size 28. It has changed the size. We got it, a bigger Taj Mahal now. And now we want to change the style of that. We want to give another font. So for that, did you see that at Liberation Sans it is the font name box, and again we have that small triangle. You click there and you will get the other options. The font is Liberation Sans, isn't it? We have so many other fonts. We will change to any font. So for that, again we have here, we'll change it to Century School Book. Just like this, you can change to any font, but we want it as in which font? Liberation Sans. Okay, and now we'll see how you can make the heading in bold, or you can give italics and underline. The first A is and this is underline. If you, after selecting the heading, if you click on this A, you will get a line after that, and that is underline. And if you click that A once again, it will go, and now it is in italics. And now it is already in bold, and now we have selected that, and now we got it in bold once again. And now we will see how we can give the font color. After selecting the heading, we see how you can change the font color of this. So for that, it is, and this is the font color, and when you click there, you will get the color palette. From there you can select any color. We want Taj Mahal in which color? Blue color. You got it, isn't it? And now we will see highlight, how to give highlight for this. So you got one background color for that, it is highlight. We got a light shade for that, isn't it? And now we'll see the alignments. The first one is, and that the first one is align left, then center, align right, and that is justify. So first we will align to the right. So we got it near the right. So now we got it in the left margin, and we will bring it to the center now. And now we don't need that highlighting for Taj Mahal. We want to remove that. So how can we remove that? Again, from highlight color, you have to select no fill. Okay, that color is not there. And now we got the Taj Mahal just as in our text, isn't it? Now we will see how you can give borders for this small introduction paragraph. And before that, we have some small space there, and using the option justified, we can adjust that space. So for that, you have to select the paragraph, and then we can select justified. And now we don't need have that space there, isn't it? That space has been aligned. The left and the right margins are just the same. You don't have any space near that right margin. And now we are going to give borders for that. Format menu, paragraph, and when you select this paragraph, you will get the paragraph window, and from there you have to select the tab borders. We want borders, so you have to select the tab borders. And here we have the line arrangement, and 5 different types of line arrangements are there. The first one, set no borders. If you select that, you will not have borders. The second one, set all 4 borders. If you select that, that paragraph will be given within a box. The third one, set left and right borders only. That paragraph will have margins on the left and the right side. So that is the third option. The fourth one, set top and bottom margins, the one that we need. Our paragraph should be like this. The fifth option, the left margin only, just like how you draw margins in your books. And suppose you want to change the line style and all, the way that line should be, when you click, you will get the options, and by default it will be none, and that is why you don't have any borders. And before doing the rest, we'll change the option, and now we'll see how you can change the width of that line. Width means the thickness. It is given as 0.05, and there we have 2 triangles. The first one to increase, the second one to decrease. The width is 1. Okay, and now we'll see how to change the color. You click on that small triangle, you will get the color palette. Select light blue. And if you don't need the changes that you have made, you can select cancel, and if you want these changes, click OK. And now you got that paragraph within those 2 lines. Any doubt? Don't forget to save this. We can use Ctrl S shortcut for saving. Ctrl S, or from the file menu you have to select save.